Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to use Pinterest to market your business and drive traffic to your website, you're in the right place. It's a powerful marketing tool that can help you reach millions of potential customers. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Pinterest marketing, from setting up your account to creating pins that convert. So if you're ready to unlock the power of Pinterest for your business, stick around. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Pinterest marketing, let's take a step back and understand what makes this platform so unique. See, Pinterest isn't your typical social media platform. It's not about posting selfies or sharing fleeting updates. Instead, Pinterest is all about visual inspiration, ideas, and long-term planning. Think of it as a giant digital vision board where users curate their aspirations, interests, and dream purchases. People come to Pinterest to discover new things, explore their passions, and plan for the future. And here's the kicker. Pinterest users are highly engaged and driven by intent. They're not just passively scrolling, they're actively searching for ideas and products to purchase. In fact, Pinterest drives a ton of traffic to websites, often outperforming other social media platforms. Pinterest works exceptionally well for visually driven industries like fashion, food, travel, home decor, DIY, and more. If your target audience is on Pinterest and your products or services can be presented visually in an inspiring way, then you need to be on this platform. Pinterest boasts over 450 million active users every single month. Now that you understand the power of Pinterest for business, let's get you set up for success. The first step is to create a Pinterest business account. Don't worry, it's completely free and comes with a bunch of features specifically designed for businesses. To get started, head over to business.pinterest.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business name, website URL, and business category. Make sure you choose the most relevant category for your business, as this will help Pinterest recommend your profile to the right audience. Next, you'll need to verify your website. This is a crucial step that allows Pinterest to confirm that you're the owner of your website and helps build trust with your audience. Your profile picture should be your business logo or a professional image that clearly represents your brand. Keep your bio concise, engaging, and highlight the key benefits of your products or services. Alright, so you've got your Pinterest business account all set up. Now let's talk about optimizing your profile to make sure you're attracting the right audience. Remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine, so you need to make it easy for people to find you. One of the most important aspects of optimizing your profile is choosing the right boards. Think of boards as categories for your pins. They help organize your content and make it easier for people to browse your pins based on their interests. When creating boards, it's crucial to choose topics that are relevant to your business and align with your target audience's interests. For example, let's say you're a fitness apparel company. You could create boards like workout inspiration, yoga poses, healthy recipes, and stylish workout gear. Be specific and use keywords that people are likely to search for. And don't forget to add board descriptions. This is another opportunity to provide more context about the board's content and incorporate relevant keywords. Chapter 4. Crafting Eye-Catching Pins, the Art of Visual Storytelling. Now let's get to the heart of Pinterest marketing, creating eye-catching pins that stop scrollers in their tracks. Your pins are your visual ambassadors on Pinterest, representing your brand and showcasing your products or services. Remember, Pinterest is all about visual inspiration, so the quality of your images matters a lot. Use high-resolution, visually appealing images that are bright, clear, and reflect your brand's aesthetic. Pinterest recommends an aspect ratio of 2 to 3 for your pins. This means your image should be 2 units wide for every 3 units tall. Vertical pins tend to perform exceptionally well on Pinterest. Aim for a minimum size of 1,000 pixels wide by 1,500 pixels tall for your vertical pins. To make your pins even more engaging, add text overlays that provide context and grab attention. Keep your text overlays concise, easy to read, and visually appealing, and don't forget to incorporate your logo into your pins. Adding your logo, even if it's small and subtle, helps with brand recognition. Now that you know how to create stunning pins, let's talk about making sure those pins get seen by the right people. Just like Google, Pinterest has its own search engine that users rely on to find what they're looking for. That's where Pinterest SEO comes in. The key to ranking well on Pinterest is to optimize your pins and boards with relevant keywords. Start with your pin titles and descriptions. Use clear, descriptive titles that accurately reflect the content of your pin and include relevant keywords that people are likely to search for. Your pin description should provide more context about the pin and incorporate additional relevant keywords. Hashtags are another powerful tool for boosting your Pinterest SEO. When you add hashtags to your pin descriptions, your pins become discoverable to users who are following those specific hashtags. Pinterest allows you to use up to 20 hashtags per pin, so make the most of them. Alright, you've created awesome pins and optimized them for search. Now let's talk about promoting your pins to get even more eyeballs on your content. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to promote your pins is to pin consistently. Pinterest loves fresh content, and the more consistently you pin, the more likely your content will show up in your followers' feeds. Aim to pin at least once a day, or even multiple times a day if you can swing it. Group boards are another fantastic way to expand your reach on Pinterest. Group boards are collaborative boards where multiple users can contribute pins to a specific topic. Joining relevant group boards in your niche allows you to tap into a wider audience and get your pins seen by more people. To find group boards in your niche, you can use Pinterest's search bar or explore the boards of your competitors and see if they're part of any group boards. Now, if you're serious about scaling your Pinterest marketing efforts, it's worth considering Pinterest ads. So you've put in the work, created amazing pins, and promoted them like a pro. Now it's time to analyze your results and see how your Pinterest marketing efforts are paying off. Thankfully, Pinterest provides you with a powerful analytics dashboard that gives you valuable insights into how your pins and boards are performing. To access your Pinterest analytics, go to your Pinterest business account and click on the Analytics tab. One of the first things you'll want to look at is your overall profile performance. This will give you a bird's-eye view of your total impressions, saves, clicks, and close-ups, which is when someone clicks on your pin to get a closer look. Next, dive deeper into your individual pin performance. See which pins are generating the most saves, clicks, and traffic to your website. This will help you understand what's resonating with your audience and guide your future content creation efforts. Based on the insights you gather from your Pinterest analytics, don't be afraid to adjust your strategy. To sum it up, Pinterest is a powerful platform for business marketing if you use it the right way. By creating beautiful, optimized pins, utilizing Pinterest SEO, promoting your content, and engaging with your audience, you can build a solid strategy to grow your brand and drive traffic. I hope these tips help you get started on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.